Hello, 5G and industry enthusiasts. I guess as well as we in Ericsson, you're looking forward to the Hannover Messe 2025. And we will be present there in Hall 40 in the 5G arena. And I wanted to draw your attention to a presentation that we will give on the stage next to our presence. And one of the presentations will be about environments that are pretty distributed on a campus. So this could be more complex manufacturing environments with locations for production, warehousing, intralogistics, etc. And we want to speak about how the flexibility of 5G architectures can be used to optimize the deployment of a 5G network so that the consumption of 5G becomes easy, but the full sophistication of 5G comes to fruition. If you're new to 5G, you're invited to the speech. If you have started to use 5G, you're invited too. I'm looking forward to meeting you.